Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a WhatsApp group call link. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and access WhatsApp. Now what you need to know is that WhatsApp does not have a direct delete button for group call links. So for you to remove a WhatsApp group call link, you must either create a new call link to invalidate the old one, like revoke it within the group settings, or delete the message containing the link. So what you need to do is you need to go to the particular message where the group link has been sent, and you simply have to long press on that and tap on delete and delete for everyone as soon as possible. Then when you go back, then you have to go to the calls, tap on the plus icon and tap on new call link and create a new call link and send it via WhatsApp to the people and tell them to use this one instead of the previous one. That's how you will be able to delete or revoke a group call link. Otherwise, there is no way for you to certainly turn it off or suddenly delete it entirely. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.